Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to propagate this plant, the hardleaf philodendron. If you're already excited to see this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. The first step is deciding where you want to cut the plant. You want to cut between each node. The node is the place where the leaf and air roots are attached to the stem. Make a cut with pruning or normal scissors. I cut right in the middle between the nodes. Put the cuttings in a glass of water. Make sure the node and roots are in the water. Put the cuttings in a light spot. The roots will grow bigger in the following weeks. A few weeks later, the roots have grown way bigger. The cuttings are ready to put in soil when the roots are a few centimeters long. When they are not long enough yet, just leave them in water for a bit longer. Use an aeroid mixture for the cuttings. I use a mix of cocoa peat, potting soil, perlite and bark. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!